friends, welcome. It's Rachel here, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I usually do scrapbook layouts for Scrapbook Nerd, but today I am making this little embellishment box. It's technically for Valentine's Day, but I'm not using Valentine's themed products because I think this collection that I'm using is very much lovey-dovey, and that is the Maggie Holmes Parasol collection. I think it's a pretty cute collection. I have the chipboard, I have the stickers, I have like some embellishments and lots of different things, and I'm having a lot of fun with playing with this collection. I'm having a lot of fun playing with this collection, and I'm excited to show what I'm making today. So I got this little box from Dollarama. If you're in America, you probably have Dollar Tree. I'm sure all countries have their equivalent of a dollar store. We have Dollar Tree and Dollarama where I live and some other ones, but those are the two that I go to. And I found this little container, and I thought it would be fun for a little embellishment box with some gifts inside for Valentine's Day. So I'm using this really pretty paper from the collection, and I sewed around it, and I'm going to put some embellishments on this page. On this page. See, I'm talking like it's a scrapbook layout, but on this box. So we're going to start with a little frame here. I think you could also do a shaker frame, and that would be really cute. And adding some stickers to embellish it a little bit. And yeah, so you can make one of these and stick little gifts in it. Like I'm going to put some candy in it, and I'm also going to put beads and other things. You'll see that at the end. But you could put anything you want in it. I think a variety of candies would be so nice. I know I love candy, so that makes a good Valentine's or Galentine's gift. Whatever you can think of that's little and small, you can stuff inside this little box, and they kind of have something to open that's fun. So yeah, that's what I'm making today. I hope you enjoy this video. It's pretty quick because these boxes are so easy to put together, but they make such a special and sentimental gift. So yeah, I'm just making sure I'm adhering this better on here because sometimes with like American Crafts products, like the backing isn't so sticky after a little bit of time. So I have this double-sided tape from Scrapbook Nerd that I was using, so gonna use that on top. And then I decide there's like an embellishment pack with adhesive brads, and little like enamel dot buttons, and then some different trims and other things. Anyway, I use the trim here on the outside, and I really like that look. I think that's really cute and kind of frames this nicely. And so that's what I did. I used some of that came in the little embellishment pack. I love the little embellishment pack. Using some puffy stickers here. I'm using a little bit of everything, which is kind of fun. And then I'm even going to put a little bit of something on the inside. You may have seen that I put a little paper from the ephemera in there as well, like the ephemera paper pack. I don't remember what it's called, but anyway, you can find all of this stuff on the Scrapbook Nerd website. I'm going to put the link down below. Check out the collection, check out the shop. They ship worldwide, so you can grab this collection for yourself, because I know you can't find it everywhere these days. And yeah, my last final thing on top of these layers was that Your Sunshine or something like that. I thought that was really cute. I put some little crinkle paper in the bottom, just to add a little something, a little cushion. Those flowers were made by my friend V. She made them last year for me for Secret Cupid Swap that I host. It's a YouTube hop. I found these little like sponge hearts at Dollarama, put some candy, grabbing a bunch of beads from my stash, putting those in there as well for the recipient. And hopefully she will like this. For a crafter, I think this is a perfect thing, but of course you can fill it with non-crafty things as well, like I was saying earlier. Got that fun little ring pop, and I'm going to put some Smarties in there. And these are the Canadian Smarties, not the American Smarties. Much, much, much different. Our Canadian Smarties are chocolate and not like chalky. So if you're an American watching this, I know my personal followers on my YouTube channel, I think they're like 51% American or something. So I have a heavy American following, but also have lots of fellow Canadian friends on here as well. So anyway, I'm going to put the links down below. This is how my box turned out. I put some chipboard here in the front as well. And that finishes it off. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and you got some inspiration, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.